Camera ready?
Um, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். I'm really happy to be inaugurating Z-Code's new store here in Chennai at Sky One Ampa Mall. Um, Fashion to me means expression, and as a Gen Z kid myself, it's really nice to see such affordable, comfortable, lovely collections being put out, and I really appreciate Z-Code for that. I think everybody who knows me knows that as much as I like to be very fashionable, I also like to wear affordable clothes, and I also like to be very, very comfortable in what I wear. So I really like all these pieces here, and I really like the vibe of the clothes here, and really happy to be inaugurating here. Congratulations, Z Code, on your new store. I hear that this is your first store in Chennai. I'm sure all the youth of our city, they're gonna love these collections, and congratulations again. Thank you for having me.
Welcome everyone to Z Code. Z Code is from the house of Siarams, and Siarams is almost a 50-year-old company now in the fashion business, in the textile and apparel industry. We have multiple brands that we are very popular. Siarams, Auxenberg, J. Hampstead, all popular across India. And Z Code is our latest venture where we have started the Gen Z clothing, all trendy clothing at affordable prices. This is our first store in Chennai, and we are very excited to present our trendy and fashionable clothing here. The biggest advantage that we have with Siarams is that we have 5 decades of sourcing knowledge and experience through which we are able to provide highest fashion at most affordable prices. We are very excited to present this collection to the consumers in Chennai, and Preeti is here today to open this store. We are very excited to be at Sky One Ampa Mall and looking forward to a great experience in Chennai.
Vanakkam Chennai. Very, very warm welcome to all media, all customers. Overwhelming response. Special welcome to our actress Preeti Mukundan, and she's the style icon for us. She's the youth icon for us, and very, very warm welcome to you. Z Code, as our MD said, is a Gen Z youth brand. Basically, we have started our journey from Bangalore with more than 30 stores. With the overwhelming response from Bangalore and also the popular demand from Chennai, we opened our very, very first store in the fashion destination Ampa Sky Mall in Chennai. This is just a beginning. We are planning to open many more stores in Chennai. Before the festive season, we'll have many more stores. Next month, we'll have opening our own flagship store in Chennai, the heart of the city, which is going to be more than 3 floors, more than 12,000 square feet area. We'll have another 8 to 10 store before the festive season here. Z Code, we offer a clothing and the trendiest clothing, which is basically inspired from the street of fashion of Paris. It is created in Mumbai. Bangalore, we got an overwhelming response from the youth. And in Chennai, we are planning to open more stores here. We offer clothes for a campus, work, leisure, and all meant for your style statement. Very, very warm welcome to all the Chennai people here. And please enjoy shopping with Z Code. You see the collection, which is internationally trend forward collection. We have also the very attraction, the important attraction is the price point. The collection which is valued, which is more than the trend. And also your price point, which is really value for money here. So look at it, enjoy, set your style in Z Code. Welcome to Z Code. Thank you.
எனக்கு டெனிம் நான் இப்போ போட்டிருக்க மாதிரி எனக்கு டெனிம்ஸ் எல்லாமே எனக்கு எப்பவுமே ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் சார். அவங்க யார் வேணால் அவங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச ட்ரெஸ் போட்டுக்கலாம் சார். Anything you want to say or any questions you would like to ask? Okay. Just
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Just one.
I mean, I'm also a Gen Z kid, like I said. I would love for, my only advice, fashion advice would be, whatever you feel like wearing, wear it. Feel free to express yourself. It's a very liberating, very, very nice feeling to dress up the way you feel. And
Make your own style statement.
yeah, make your own style statement. Do not conform to any styling norms. Just be whoever you want to be and let it show in your fashion.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Jeffrey ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಫೋನ್ ಯಾರು ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾನ ಕಿಲೋ ಕರ್ನ ಕಿಲೋ ಕರ್ನ
ಕಿಲೋ ಕರ್ನ
ಕಿಲೋ ಕರ್ನ
Z-Code staff, everyone, please come
Z-Code
forward.
staff, please quiet.
Z-Code staff, everyone, please come forward.
Fast.
Very jolly, please.
Everyone will say our fashion code is okay. 1, 2, 3. Our fashion code is Z-Code. One more time, guys. Yes, sir. More energy, right? Our fashion code is Z-Code. Okay.